Here we are on site this morning in Canterbury on a new build project which is going to be on Build a Home in the Country on Channel 5 with Mr David Bax. We're happy today to be installing a 300 litre SAHP solar assisted heat pump to provide all the domestic hot water usage within the property. Our solar assisted heat pump is to cater for Mr Bax and his family, 2 children, 2 adults, 4 people household. Our system is designed to work in all weathers down to -5, -10 in producing hot water from the great outdoors.
Well, what we liked about it when you're researching all the products available to you as a self-builder, British made, so you you know, the warranty, the workmanship, the fact it's made in a UK factory, all of those elements we like. It's also completely renewable. It helps with your EPCs. Efficiency of it in terms of cost-wise is minimal, so it literally uses a small amount of electricity per day to heat it up, and it kicks in maybe twice a day.
Our system can be explained as a fridge in reverse, heat pump technology. The difference between ourselves and other heat pumps is we specialise in domestic and commercial hot water, as we keep the efficiencies high but the running costs low. As you'll see within the property, our cylinders are square. We have a duplex stainless steel cylindrical cylinder inside a square cladding. The reason we do that is we utilise all the excess space of insulation to make sure there's no heat loss, so we hold the water a lot hotter for a lot longer. Our system is a split system. The indoor heat pump cylinder is connected to an outside panel. Our panel is the evaporator, roll bond aluminium, but unlike solar PV and solar thermal, it does not rely on sunlight. Humidity, wind flow, sun all help within the efficiency of our units and help with the reheat of the hot water within the home. The panel has a refrigerant that runs through it. That refrigerant heats the water in the property, taking it to a set point of 55 degrees. As soon as we hit our temperature, the system will just go in standby mode.
This is one of our thermodynamic evaporative panels. This is a double panel which boosts recovery time by 10 or 15%. It can be situated anywhere in the house within a 50-metre run of the unit, on the side or on the roof with a 30-degree tilt. Once the panel has been correctly linked to the unit, the next stage is to pressure test the connections to ensure there are no leaks. Charge the system to 8 bar of oxygen-free nitrogen and monitor pressures for 45 minutes. If the pressure has not dropped, it has passed the pressure test and the nitrogen can be released. Next is to connect a vacuum pump to the service port to begin vacuuming the system. Vacuum the system to 0.5 torr and below for a minimum of 45 minutes. Once the system has been successfully pressure tested and vacuumed, next is to release the factory pre-charged gas by fully opening both service valves.
The system has a 5-degree drop, so when the customers run their baths or their taps or whatever they're doing, as soon as the system drops below 50, the heat pump will just kick in to replenish. So it's always working in the background to make sure the customer's got hot water when they need it. The system is a one-day installation. This is a new build, so we haven't got to drain down or take out any old cylinders or hot water tanks. We have a plumber and an F-gas refrigeration engineer on site, but the installation will be done in the day, and it will be commissioned before we leave, and then the customer will have hot water.
It's not just about, you know, saving costs with energy and you know, where you can. It's also trying to do something where you're not using loads of gas, you're not using loads of electricity where you don't need to. You can have a bath and not feel guilty about damaging the environment. So we're really excited.
For more information on our solar assisted heat pumps, please visit www.sahp.info.